In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add layers in Draw IO for Confluence and Jira. Layers are a powerful way to organize complex diagrams by grouping related elements and controlling what's visible at any moment. This is especially helpful when you're documenting processes, presenting multiple versions, or tailoring diagrams to different audiences across your Confluence spaces or Jira issues. First, start in Confluence and create a new page. Use the Add Page option and choose New Page to open a fresh editor. Give the page a clear title so teammates can find it later. If you're working in Jira, you can follow the same idea inside an issue where the diagram editor is available. The goal here is simply to get to the diagram canvas where you'll be editing. Once your Draw.io editor is open, you're ready to use layers. Open the Layers panel by going to the View menu and selecting Layers. If you like shortcuts, press Ctrl plus Shift tile on Windows or CMD plus Shift tile on a Mac. The Layers panel will appear, usually docked to the side of your canvas, showing any existing layers and controls for managing them. To create a new layer, click the Add Layer icon, the small plus sign at the bottom of the Layers panel. A fresh layer appears in the list, and you can make it the active one for your next set of shapes. Rename the layer by double-clicking its name and typing something descriptive, like current state, future state, or annotations. Clear names make collaboration easier and keep your diagram maintainable as it grows. Think of layers as transparent sheets stacked over your diagram. You can place related shapes on the same sheet and reveal only what you need during reviews. For example, keep your base flow on one layer and optional paths or notes on another. This way you can focus a discussion without duplicating entire diagrams. As you work, remember that layers don't change the content itself. They just help you organize and present it more clearly. The Layers panel also includes simple controls to manage visibility and focus while you build. Use these to keep your canvas uncluttered during editing and to walk stakeholders through a diagram step by step. The process is identical whether you're in Confluence or Jira, so you can use the same approach across documentation and issue tracking. That's it. Create a page, open the Layers panel, add a layer, and rename it for clarity. With these basics, you'll keep diagrams clean, flexible, and presentation ready.